Hello there, and welcome again to HR Management. Again, I'm your professor, Dr. Greg Parsons, and what I thought I'd do is just put together a short little presentation on the online discussion grading criteria, just so that everybody understands what I'm working from when I grade the posts, and also this will apply to your papers to a certain extent. I'll go over the more extended grading rubric or criteria when we get to the papers. But I thought this would give you an idea when I say you're doing something or not doing something in your posts, what I'm looking at. Okay, so flip to the next slide and listen to what I've got to say. This is a form that's used for online post grading, sometimes called the rubric. And you can see it's broken down into several different categories. And this helps me as the grader and reviewer of your post to be able to decide on different aspects of the post. As you can see that the different categories get different point values. So thoroughness gets 30 points. Conceptual accuracy gets 30 points. Critical thinking gets 30 points. And quality of writing gets 10 points. And what I do is I look in each of these categories at what you've posted and apply what I consider the appropriate points in each one of these categories. These then get totaled up for the total online discussion score. And then we move down to the bottom of the sheet where we make what are called compliance adjustments. So if you didn't do enough posts, if you posted late, those would be deductions from the score that you received above. That'll give you your final score. The bottom line is, when you are doing your discussion posts, try to comply with the requirements, meaning you do the correct number of posts and that you get your posts in on time. Follow the rules. As to the quality of your post, make sure that you write, review, and edit your work before you post it for everybody to read. Ask yourself, is the work thorough? Have you covered everything that the topic is about? Is it accurate? Are you using your textbook and other sources? Are you using the terminology correctly? Have you done some critical thinking? Have you displayed some originality and creativity in talking about the topic? And finally, have you presented your post in an appropriately professional writing style? Is the grammar good? Is the spelling right? Do we have appropriate punctuation? When you can answer yes to these questions, then you're ready to post.